Hello friends, welcome to Pandit Invest. You can join me on the Telegram channel also, that is Pandit Invest, and Twitter Prediction Nifty, and WhatsApp number, and this is my website ritapandit25.in. You can also join me on Facebook Nifty Predictions. In the last week, I've given the theme about API companies, and you saw that what was the return we got in this week. So according as per with API companies, now I will discuss with pharma companies, because the API companies is the raw materials of the pharma which make medicines and injectable also. So in the recent yesterday, the government of India has increased the import duty of API from 10% to 25%. So the pharma companies who are manufacturing API as well as medicines will get benefit with the import duties hike. So let me discuss about the pharma companies which are going to give a good return in the next 1 year. So this is the Natco Pharma company, and you can see the last fall on the month of March made low 402 and currently now trading near at 782 rupees, and the all time high made in the year 2017, that is 1090. So it has much more space left to move upside, so accumulate this stock on corrections. The next stock will be Dr. Reddy, currently trading near 4521 levels, and it crossed the previous 52 weeks high, that was 4386 made in the year 2015, and now currently near 4521. So it can go move up to 5000 plus levels. The next stock will be Cipla. It just going to test the 52 weeks high made in the year 2015, that was 752, and currently trading near 720. So if close above 52 weeks high 752, then we can see again 30 to 50% return from there also. The next stock will be Lupin, is trading near 926, and if close above 986, then we can see a breakout in this stock for the previous high that made in the year 2015, that was 2129, and from that low made in the March was 504, and now trading near 926, already double from the March low. So you can see that stock if close above 986 levels. The next stock will be Jubilant Life Science, and given a fantastic result, and you can see a 4-month green big candle, and if last 52 weeks high was 1039 made in the year 2018, and from that we given a low 234 in the month of March, and now is trading near 795. From 234 to 700, already the 4 times 400% return in these companies, and if trade close above 1090, we can also see 50% return from this level even also. The next company will be Sun Pharma, though the result was not so good, but the chart is looking promising, and if any day close above 680, we can see a breakout, and the 52 weeks high was 1200 in the year 2015. So we can see, you can look for this company also. The next company, that is a dark house, I think Krebs Biochemicals. So if close above 105, then we can see a breakout for the high 190. The 52 weeks high was 284 levels. And next company will be Star, that is Stride Pharma Science, trading near 436, and 52 weeks high was 1368. So you can accumulate or make a basket along with API companies with pharma companies for a good return in the next 2 years. So kindly like the channel and kindly subscribe the channel. Kindly also subscribe to my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching it.